perfect weather here today, and a great game in store too. Argentina versus Scotland. The first round of the World. You join us as the first half gets underway. Good pass. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. Only one man to beat. They're passing well. What a nice pass. Number 3. This is a chance. The ball's still in play. Good clearance. It's a throw into Scotland. That'll be a throw-in. Well played. He won't give it up. What a fantastic shot. Straight into the keeper's arms. He passes it forward. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. We've had 1 minute. The crowd aren't happy with that one. They've got a nice rhythm going. Well played. Keeper's ball. That's headed back. Number 11. Good tackle. Argentina back to the keeper. A chance for a set play here. What can they make from this? Surely this one. He's kept possession. Referee Carlos Moreno has given the foul. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Beautiful defence. Good pass. Plenty of support from the midfield, and again. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Both teams need to keep their concentration. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Well taken. He's trapped that nicely. Good pass. There's the whistle. That's the first yellow card of the game. He passes it to the left. Players are finding space. What about that pass? He touches it on. Argentina. Nobody there. It's a throw into Scotland. Three minutes have elapsed. A chance for a goal here. What a fantastic shot. Good judgment. Offside. Will something come from this? Watch this attack very closely. Good pass. Could be a chance here. It's a throw into Argentina. Here's a chance. Great header. He's fumbled it. Nice save. He's trapped that nicely. He passes it forward. Good pass. Where will he pass the ball next? Only one man to beat. Surely it's in. Straight into the keeper's arms. With less than a minute. Surely that had to be a penalty. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Oh, that could be dangerous. He heads it on. He passes it to the left. What about that pass? Argentina. He wants to get rid of this. He's looking for space. Number 9. They've got a nice rhythm going. The score remains 0-0. They're really getting stuck in. Well played. Oh, foul. This is a golden opportunity. Volley! He scored! A beautiful goal! Fabulous! First goal! Let's take another look. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. The referee's looking at his watch. That's dangerous play. There's no place for that kind of play. The referee's giving him a yellow card. He passes it forward. Argentina. Well played. Good pass. Super strike. It's punched away. Where will he pass the ball next? That was careless. He won't give it up. Number 5. Well played. He passes it to the left. What about that pass? They're really getting stuck in. Good pass. This is a chance. Well blocked. What about that pass? Good pass. Oh my, it's punched away. What sort of performance can we expect? There's the whistle. The referee's giving him a yellow card. They're bringing on a stretcher. He passes it forward. Good pass. Good dummy. Oh, bad luck. Beautiful defence. He's trapped that nicely. He wants to get rid of this. Number 17. Some strong challenges. They've got a nice rhythm going. Good effort. That was a bad pass. It's a throw into Scotland. We've reached the end of the first half. Both teams are ready to kick off the second half. passes it forward. He touches it on. That's a foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. What a nice pass. He passes it forward. Well played. Could be a chance here. Beautiful cross. Straight into the keeper's arms. That's headed back. That was careless. Well played. The passes are all on target. Both teams need to keep their concentration. We've had 1 minute. Good pass. He passes it forward. Number 9. Where will he pass the ball next? Well played. Plenty of support from the midfield. Good clearance. Scotland, number 17. Well played. Oh, bad luck. They're passing well. What sort of performance can we expect? He won't give it up. Oh, foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. He passes the ball back. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Number 11, they've got a nice rhythm going. Oh, bad luck. Oh, there's some rough play. Where will he pass the ball next? Clearly a foul. A free kick in a good position. The wall did its job. Super strike. Offside. Will something come from this? He passes it forward. Oh, bad luck. He's stolen it. 3 minutes have elapsed. What about that pass? What a fantastic shot. He's trapped that nicely. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. The crowd aren't happy with that one. That's dangerous play. Substitution. He passes it forward. Clearly a foul. That's 2 yellow cards. He's off. This means he's out of the next match. He passes it on to the right, number 17. A chance for a goal here. That's headed back, Scotland. With less than a minute. He didn't control that very well. It's a throw into Scotland. He touches it on. He won't give it up. That'll be a throw-in. Could be a chance here. Here's a chance. A chance for a set play here. What can they make from this? It's curling in. Great header. He scored! Did you see that? Absolute world class. The atmosphere is electric. Let's take a look at that again. Argentina lead by 2 goals. He passes it on to the right. They've got a nice rhythm going. We're into injury time. Only one man to beat. He's stolen it. A chance for a goal here. Nice save. He's trapped that nicely. It's tightly balanced. They're passing well. What about that pass? This is a chance. They're really getting stuck in. A chance for a goal here. What tight defence. It's a corner. What can they make from this? Surely this one. Great header. He's trapped that nicely. He touches it on. Number 15. Well played. Good pass. He's looking for an opening. Here's a chance. Good judgment. Plenty of support from the midfield. It's a throw into Argentina. He passes it forward. Good possession. Well played. That's a foul. Red card, and rightly so. This means he's out of the next match. He can shoot from here. Scotland. He passes it to the left. Well played. Great ball. Well blocked. Well taken. He's trapped that nicely. He won't give it up. And the referee blows the final whistle. Argentina are the winners. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Providing the commentary for today's game. Well, it's raining hard here today, but the tension is rising for the game between Argentina and... The game is underway. Surely there had to be a penalty. Good pass. They're passing well. Number 13. Referee Carlos Moreno has given the foul. Where will he pass the ball next? Good pass. A chance for a goal here. He's had a crack. A chance for a set play here. What can they make from this? Surely this one. Great header. Goal! He scored with a header, and straight away they've scored. Here's the replay. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. He passes it on to the right. What about that pass? Good dummy. Plenty of support from the midfield. We've had 1 minute. They've got a nice rhythm going. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. No fouls being given. Well played. Oh, bad luck. He touches it on. Surely that had to be a penalty. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. He's had a crack. He heads it on. Where will he pass the ball next? That's intercepted. Oh, foul. That's headed back. Great ball. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Nice defending. He touches it on. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Number 5. Number 20. They've got a nice rhythm going. They're keeping possession. Well played. Could be a chance here. Here's a chance. Oh, a clash of heads. He passes it forward. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. This is a chance. The ball's still in play. Beautiful defence. 3 minutes have elapsed. Good pass. He's kept possession. Argentina. Well played. Only one man to beat. Good judgment. He passes it forward. Chance here. Can he cross a decent ball? Oh, there's some rough play. That's the first yellow card of the game. This is a golden opportunity. It's a throw into Croatia. Argentina, he passes it to the left. What about that pass? Some strong challenges. He heads it on with less than a minute. Well played. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. It's a throw into Argentina. A new player comes on. He's looking for an opening. He passes it forward. Players are finding space. What about that pass? Goal kick. Good effort. Good pass. Super strike. That's headed back. He passes it on to the right. The referee's looking at his watch. Incredible shot. It's a corner. What can they make from this? Surely this one, great header. Could be a chance here. He's had a crack. Good clearance. Number 7. Where will he pass the ball next? He passes it to the left. What about that pass? Great ball. What a nice pass. That's bad passing. It's a throw into Croatia. He's kept possession. Number 9. There's no place for that kind of play. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Keeper's ball. Croatia. He touches it on. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. Offside. Nobody in support. Well played. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. What tight defence. It's a throw into Croatia. Watch this attack very closely. He won't give it up. Plenty of support from the midfield. They're really getting stuck in. Beautiful defence. We've reached the end of the first half. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. Both teams are ready to kick off the second half. Clearly a foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. They've got a nice rhythm going. Well played. They're passing well. Good pass. Croatia. Number 10. Number 8. That's a superb one too. Great ball. They're really getting stuck in. Only one man to beat. Nice defending. He heads it on. That's headed back. Players are finding space. He's looking for space. A chance for a goal here. They're keeping possession. This looks good. Incredible shot. Goal! A beautiful goal. That's the equaliser. They've tied it. Here's the replay. It's a tie. We've had 1 minute. Plenty of support from the midfield. Volley! The ball's still in play. What tight defence. Where will he pass the ball next? He passes the ball back. The passes are all on target. Number 5. He's kept possession. Argentina. Croatia. He won't give it up. Number 7. He wants to get rid of this. Number 10. A 1-2. That was wasted. It's a throw into Croatia. Good pass. Can he cross a decent ball? He passes it to the left. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Plenty of support from the midfield. Great header. He scored! He scored with a header. They've turned the game around. Let's take another. Croatia are ahead by 1 goal. That's a foul. Red card, and rightly so. This means he's out of the next match. He can shoot from here. He scored! And that changes everything. That's the equaliser. They've tied it. Here's the replay. It's a tie. He passes it to the left. Well played. Good pass. It'll be hard to guess the outcome of this match. He's looking for an opening. 3 minutes have elapsed. Number 7. Oh, there's some rough play. He passes it forward. Number 11. Number 22. Good pass. Croatia. Good pass. Only one man to beat. That's dangerous play. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Can they score? That's in! Did you see that? Absolutely. Croatia are ahead by 1 goal. This is impressive physical marking. He passes it forward. Good pass. This is a chance. He was trying to do too much. Good clearance. With less than a minute, it's a throw into Croatia. Number 10. Great ball. Can he cross a decent ball? Straight into the keeper's arms. That's headed back. He's trapped that nicely. He passes it forward. Well played. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Oh, bad luck. It'll be hard to guess the outcome of this match. Nobody in support. Well played. Could be a chance here. Beautiful cross. Croatia. That was wasted. It's a throw into Croatia. We're into injury time. Back pass. Number 7. That's a superb one too. Good pass. What about that pass? The flag's up for offside. Good effort. Croatia, he wants to get rid of this. It's tightly balanced. Well played. Great ball. Only one man to beat. What a fantastic shot. That's headed back. He passes it to the left. What about that pass? A chance for a goal here. The keeper comes forward. Goal! A beautiful goal! This has turned into a great game. Here's the replay. It's a tie. He touches it on. Where will he pass the ball next? Number 7. Oh, bad luck. Well played. Good pass. This is a chance. And the game ends all level. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Perfect weather here today, and a great game in store too. Argentina versus... The game is underway. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. He should have passed it. He passes it forward. What tight defence. It's a throw-in to Belgium. He touches it on. Well played. Here's a chance. That'll be a goal kick. Will something come from this? Good possession. He touches it on. We've had 1 minute. He passes it forward. Number 8. Oh, bad luck. Number 10. The passes are all on target. Good tackle. Where will he pass the ball next? Good pass. This is a chance. He's had a crack. He's trapped that nicely. Offside. Well played. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. He touches it on. Good judgment. No score yet from either side. Only one man to beat. It's a throw-in to Belgium. It's in the box. He heads it on. Good clearance. Will something come from this? They're passing well. Good pass. Where will he pass the ball next? A chance for a goal here. Fantastic. Belgium. Surely that had to be a penalty. Great ball. Could be a chance here. Oh my, great header. Nice save. He's trapped that nicely. 3 minutes have elapsed. Referee Yuji Hasegawa has given the foul. Well played. He passes it on to the right. Good effort. Where will he pass the ball next? Both teams need to keep their concentration. The crowd aren't happy with that one. Plenty of support from the midfield. That's headed back. Belgium. Argentina. What about that pass? He passes it forward. That was a bad pass. It's a throw-in to Belgium. With less than a minute. Players are finding space. That's a foul. He passes it on to the right. Oh, bad luck. Good pass. Players are finding space. Offside. Will something come from this? The score remains 0-0. Number 2, number 17. What about that pass? He passes it forward. That's a foul. We're into injury time. He touches it on. Oh, bad luck. It's tightly balanced. No foul. Where will he pass the ball next? This is a chance. What a fantastic shot. That's headed back. He passes it to the left. That was predictable. Number 6. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Straight into the keeper's arms. He's trapped that nicely. Oh, bad luck. He won't give it up. Good pass. Only one man to beat. Nice defending. Back pass. Number 8. Great ball. Clever move. A chance for a goal here. Beautiful defence. No fouls being given. Belgium. Well played. Could be a chance here. Good cross. We've reached the end of the first half. The score remains 0-0. Both teams are ready to kick off the second half. Number 6, he passes it forward. Unbelievable, there's no whistle. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. That's a foul. Well played. Oh, bad luck. No fouls being given. What about that pass? Number 14. Good pass. What a nice pass. He passes it forward. Players are finding space. He's looking for an opening. That's a foul. They're passing well. What a fantastic shot. It's a corner. This could be interesting. It's in the box. Great header. Nice defending. Argentina. Beautiful defence. Back pass. Good pass. Clearly a foul. Number 14. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Well played. Surely that had to be a penalty. Great ball. Belgium. Well played. Plenty of support from the midfield. He heads it on. He touches it on. Well played. Good pass. Well blocked. Keeper's ball. Oh, bad luck. Good pass. This looks good. What a fantastic shot. Off the crossbar. He's put that in his own net. Let's take a look at that again. Belgium are ahead by 1 goal. Well played. He passes it forward. Number 18. Clearly a foul. Three minutes have elapsed. That's headed back. He's trapped that nicely. They're really getting stuck in. Belgium. Well played. Could be a chance here. Well taken. Players are finding space. Good pass. They're passing well. Well played. Belgium. No foul. Here's a chance. That's a foul. Substitution. Great header. He touches it on. What tight defence. Well played. He's stolen it. What about that pass? Good pass. The ball's still in play. Beautiful defence. Argentina. Oh, bad luck. He won't give it up. Well played. Can he cross a decent ball? Back pass. Oh, bad luck. There's the whistle. That's the first yellow card of the game. We're into injury time. He touches it on. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Oh, there's some rough play. Red card, and rightly so. This means he's out of the next match. A free kick in a good position. It's punched away. Belgium. Beautiful defence. They're passing well. There's no place for that kind of play. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Good pass. He touches it on. For the moment, he returns the pass. Number 20. Watch this attack very closely. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Number 6. Good pass. This is a chance. He touches it on. This looks good. Incredible shot. That's dangerous play. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. Nobody in support. What about that pass? Only one man to beat. He should have passed it. He passes it to the left. The passes are all on target. Oh, bad luck. He's stolen it. Great ball. And it's all over. That was such a close match. What a pity one of them had to lose. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. Providing the commentary for today's game. Well, it's raining hard here today, but the tension is rising for the game between Argentina and Bolivia. The first round. The game is underway. Good pass. He passes it forward. Referee Heinz Muller has given the foul. Where will he pass the ball next? It'll be hard to guess the outcome of this match. Where will he pass the ball next? Good pass. The score remains 0-0. Oh, bad luck. Number 4, number 14. Well played. This is a chance. They're passing well. We've had 1 minute. Argentina. What about that pass? Good pass. Keeper's ball. That's headed back. Bolivia. They're passing well. That's dangerous play. What sort of performance can we expect? Bolivia. Great possession. No foul. Superb play. He's beaten the defender. He's kept possession. A chance for a goal here. It's short. Bolivia. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. He passes it on to the right. Oh, that could be dangerous. Bolivia, well intercepted. Well played. Great ball. The ball's still in play. Great header. That's in. He scored with a header. Fabulous. First goal. Here's the replay. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. He passes it to the left. Number 21. Bolivia. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Well played. Bolivia. Number 19. 3 minutes have elapsed. Great ball. What sort of performance can we expect? Clearly a foul. That's headed back. He won't give it up. Oh, foul. He touches it on. Good pass. Oh, bad luck. Number 4, where will he pass the ball next? They've got a nice rhythm going. That's bad passing. It's a throw into Bolivia. Both teams need to keep their concentration. They're passing well. Number 6, with less than a minute. He touches it on. It's a throw-in. A new player comes on. Where will he pass the ball next? Well played. Plenty of support from the midfield. He passes it forward. Number 21, number 22. Clearly a foul. That's the first yellow card of the game. He heads it on. Great ball. Well played. Can he cross a decent ball? Oh my! Good pass. Oh, bad luck. He passes it forward. Well played. He's looking for an opening. Good possession. Plenty of support from the midfield. That's a foul. The referee's looking at his watch. Good pass. This is a chance. He passes it forward. Argentina. Oh, bad luck. It's tightly balanced. They're still in control. Well played. He's looking for an opening. He wants to get rid of this. Superb play. Some strong challenges. Beautiful defence. He's stolen it. What about that pass? Good pass. Beautiful cross. He's trapped that nicely. Argentina, back pass. That's a superb one too. Could be a chance here. Surely this one. He's trapped that nicely. Volley! A chance for a set play here. What can they make from this? It's curling in. Well played. Great ball. They're passing well. Good possession. We've reached the end of the first half. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. Both teams are ready to kick off the second half. Oh, that could be dangerous. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Both teams need to keep their concentration. They're passing well. Number 11. Surely that had to be a penalty. They've got a nice rhythm going. Oh, foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. He passes it forward. Bolivia. No fouls being given. Well played. Plenty of support from the midfield. Well played. Good pass. Chance here. Straight into the keeper's arms. We've had 1 minute. He's looking for space. Well played. Good pass. He passes it on to the right. What about that pass? A chance for a goal here. Keeper's ball. That's headed back. Well played. He's looking for an opening. He won't give it up. Number 14. He passes it on to the right. Well intercepted. He wants to get rid of this. Where will he pass the ball next? It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Great ball. Argentina. That's bad passing. It's a throw into Bolivia. He passes it forward. Number 7. Well played. Good pass. Great possession. Number 10. A 1-2. That was a lovely ball. Could be a chance here. Beautiful cross. The ball's still in play. That's in. World-class football. The scores are even. Here's the replay. It's a tie. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Number 4, number 14. What a nice pass. They're really getting stuck in. 3 minutes have elapsed. They're passing well. This is a chance. He should have passed it. That's bad passing. It's a throw into Bolivia. Players are finding space. A chance for a goal here. It's punched away. He touches it on. Great ball. He passes it on to the right. Plenty of support from the midfield. Well played. Beautiful defence. It's a throw into Argentina. Substitution. With less than a minute, Bolivia. He passes it forward. A chance for a goal here. Oh, there's some rough play. Can they score? Goal! And that changes everything. Bolivia are ahead by 1 goal. Oh, bad luck. He passes it forward. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. He shoots again. Good clearance. He heads it on. Bolivia. Oh, foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Oh, bad luck. He passes it to the left. Well played. Great ball. He's looking for an opening. We're into injury time. Good pass. He passes it on to the right. What about that pass? A chance for a goal here. He wants to get rid of this. Good judgment. Bolivia. He's stolen it. Good pass. This is a chance. Only one man to beat. Straight into the keeper's arms. Number 10. He's looking for space. A chance for a goal here. What a fantastic shot. It's in! A beautiful goal! What a noise! Listen to the crowd! Here's the replay. Bolivia lead by 2 goals. And the referee blows the final whistle. What a pity one of them had to lose. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye. This is Tony Gubber. We have perfect weather here today and a great game in store too. Argentina versus... You join us as the first half gets underway. What about that pass? Well played. He's looking for an opening. He passes it to the left, straight into the keeper's arms. He's trapped that nicely. He touches it on. Ireland. He's stolen it. Well played. Oh, bad luck. The crowd aren't happy with that one. Great ball. Referee Heinz Muller has given the foul. The defence are organising their wall. It's punched clear. Good pass. He passes it to the left. There's no place for that kind of play. We've had 1 minute. There's the whistle. Number 7. That's a foul. A free kick in a good position. Well taken. Ireland. He passes it on to the right. That's a foul. Watch this attack very closely. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Players are finding space. Number 10. Great ball. Only one man to beat. Incredible shot. What tight defence. Back pass. He heads it on. No goals yet. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Well blocked. It's a corner. Can he make something out of this? It's in the box. Three minutes have elapsed. That's headed back. Good pass. He touches it on. Clearly a foul. That's the first yellow card of the game. He heads it on. Great ball. Oh, bad luck. Number 11. He passes it forward. They've got a nice rhythm going. No fouls being given. Good pass. This is a chance. This looks good. They're still in control. That's in. A super shot. Fabulous. First goal. Here's the replay. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. He passes it to the left. With less than a minute. Oh, bad luck. Watch this attack very closely. Well played. Great possession. They're keeping possession. Good pass. A chance for a goal here. Good possession. Surely this time, beautifully executed. It's in! That was really something. That's just what the crowd were waiting for. Here's the replay. Argentina lead by 2 goals. Number 3. Will something come from this? There's no place for that kind of play. They're bringing on a stretcher. Substitution. He passes it forward. This is a chance. He still has the ball. Well taken. He heads it on. Number 9. Players are finding space. Offside. We're into injury time. He passes it on to the right. Argentina. Well played. Good pass. Incredible shot. A chance for a set play here. This could be interesting. Surely this one. Oh, a clash of heads. Great ball. He passes it on to the right. Number 6. He's stolen it. He won't give it up. What about that pass? A chance for a goal here. They're really getting stuck in. Nobody in support. Beautiful defence. Well played. The flag's up for offside. They're using all of the field. Good pass. He passes it forward. Watch this attack very closely. Where will he pass the ball next? It'll be hard to guess the outcome of this match. Good pass. What about that pass? Plenty of support from the midfield. He's trapped that nicely. Could be a chance here. Surely this one. He heads it on. They're really getting stuck in. Oh, a clash of heads. Surely it's in. That's headed back. Ireland. He passes it forward. Great ball. It's half-time. Argentina lead by 2 goals. Both teams are ready to kick off the second half. That's a foul. Back pass. Great possession. Ireland, number 20. They're keeping possession. Number 13. They've got a nice rhythm going. What about that pass? Argentina. Beautiful defence. Well played. Good effort. Where will he pass the ball next? The crowd aren't happy with that one. Oh, bad luck. He's looking for an opening. Surely this one. Good clearance. We've had 1 minute. Nobody in support. Oh, that could be dangerous. The referee's giving him a yellow card. He passes it forward. Number 11. Could be a chance here. Number 20. He's looking for an opening. That's headed back. He's trapped that nicely. Fantastic. He heads it on. Well played. He passes it to the left. There's no place for that kind of play. Plenty of support from the midfield. What tight defence. It's 2 minutes since the start of the half. Ireland. What about that pass? Great ball. A chance for a goal here. He still has the ball. He's looking for space. He touches it on. Some strong challenges. Number 20. Number 9. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Clearly a foul. Good pass. Only one man to beat. This is a chance. Surely it's in. That's headed back. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. A chance for a goal here. It hit the post. He passes it to the left. Good judgment. 3 minutes have elapsed. Well played. Oh, bad luck. Nice defending. He heads it on. That's headed back. He's stolen it. The passes are all on target. He won't give it up. Good pass. Oh, there's some rough play. He passes it on to the right. Well played. Number 4. Number 9. That's dangerous play. The referee's giving him a yellow card. Where will he pass the ball next? Can he cross a decent ball? With less than a minute. Great ball. He passes it to the left. Well played. There's the whistle. A new player comes on. He passes it forward. That's dangerous play. Chance for a goal here. It hit the post. Surely this time, volley. Goal! A beautiful goal. That's narrowed the gap. Let's take a look at that again. Argentina are ahead by 1 goal. Good pass. No fouls being given. He passes it forward. Number 6. We're into injury time. Clearly a foul. The flag's up for offside. What about that pass? He's looking for an opening. Great header. Nice save. He's looking for an opening. Unbelievable. There's no whistle. It's a throw into Argentina. Well played. He passes it forward. Players are finding space. Both teams need to keep their concentration. Good pass. That's a foul. The referee's giving him a yellow card. He can shoot from here. No messing. Beautiful defense. Argentina. He passes it on to the right. Good possession. There's the whistle. That's 2 yellow cards. He's off. This means he's out of the next match. He passes the ball back. Oh, foul. Well played. He's looking for an opening. It's a corner. Can he make something out of this? Short ball. There's the final whistle. Argentina are the winners. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.